रामंजन, तू बनेगा असली रोडी?
नहीं.
तू बनेगा असली रोडी?
नहीं.
Oh, wait, you're saying no.
I'm not.
But why not?
मुझ में वो बात नहीं है.
कौन सी बात?
I don't know, but मुझ में नहीं है.
But why did anyone want to become a roadie?
You know what? I actually had a friend who went for roadies.
What are you saying?
Yeah. So in this week's podcast, we discuss what the fuck was roadies. Why did anyone want to be a roadie?
And why no one cares anymore?
Actually, yeah. So let's get into it. Dude, I used to be a very avid follower of roadies.
Like follow, fan following.
Fan
types.
following, but so I have watched season 4 and 5 to completion.
Okay.
As in from auditions to the finale वगैरह. Full ऐसा I used to wait every week कि ओ fuck ये होने वाला है वो होने वाला है, and then as you know promo हर week आता रहता वो भी देखने का बैठ के.
हाँ, but promo is how you get excited, na?
So like I watched like 2 seasons completely, and then after that I was like, you know what, the fun part is the auditions, and after that I used to just stop watching it.
Fair enough.
But it was like a fucking rage. And this was I feel this was also the death of MTV as a music channel. Like,
I don't know if it started with roadies, but roadies is definitely on that list.
no, it started with MTV VJ Hunt. And then they realized कि music से ज़्यादा तो ऐसे shows पिकते हैं.
Oh my god.
Yeah. That is how the MTV VJ Hunt was first, and then I think roadies came.
Damn.
Like followed.
But you know, MTV has always been on this reality TV game though. Like even like MTV, the original one, US wala, they were also one of the first people who made like a reality TV show. And it's quite old also. 80s में होगा, 90s में शायद air हुआ होगा वो. But still, it's wild how reality TV can have such a place in your lives. Like roadies.
Yeah.
Like forget everything else. If you have been an Indian teenager, you know about roadies in Indian teenagers in the 90s. Sorry.
Yeah.
I'm eating all my words.
You're a 90s bacha. You know what roadies is. Okay, so I know people who honestly wanted to become roadies.
What are you saying?
Yeah.
Okay,
yes.
for
I know people who have gone to auditions and all also.
Matlab past the general discussion.
Yeah.
Okay, actually maybe for people who don't know what happens in roadies is basically there's a general discussion first. You have to stand out in that general discussion somehow. And the general discussion ke topics kaise rehte the? Like should girls wear short clothes after 8 p.m. Things like that.
Things like that, and like basically all controversial shit.
Obviously, because they know that people will start talking about this and it'll be like really heated and all. Arey, that time they were.
That time they were. This is early 2000s. Sanskar hamare.
So right, they used to give some sort of stupid topic like that. Then you have to stand out in a general discussion. Then you get to the auditions.
Yeah.
And that's where
personal interview.
That's where you fucking get torn down as a human being in that audition.
So basically, the audition in the early years, it was started by 2 people called Raghu and Rajiv, the twins. If you've not seen Teesmar Khan, you should.
We recommend watching Teesmar Khan if you want your eyes haven't bled in a while and your brain hasn't hurt in a while.
So Raghu and Rajiv star in Teesmar Khan, just for context. And they started also their career with this show called Roadies.
Also, if you know Raghu and Rajiv through Teesmar Khan and not through Roadies, there's something wrong with the fabric of the universe.
Or you are very, very young. I would give you that as well. So basically, Raghu and Rajiv were these 2 people who I don't know till date what they have achieved, okay? To be absolutely fucking mean to the people who come to the audition. And basically, Roadies का personal interview used to be this. आप जाते थे, बैठते थे, हाय हेलो करते थे और एक ही बोलते थे कि तू चूतिया है, बस. और they used to see, they used to test the capabilities of तुम कितना handle कर सकते हो कि मैं तुम्हें कितना चूतिया बुलाऊंगा and what is your threshold. If your threshold is very high, you're on the show. And if you retaliate, you're fucked.
I didn't know, but people used to see. I don't think. See, honestly, now my theory is this. I don't think the auditions had anything to do with who became a roadie or not. The auditions were just there for TRP.
The whole show is there for
see,
TRP.
No, what I mean is like in that game show element, the auditions didn't really count.
Yeah,
and this is why I think so, because if you remember, if we are watching any show and you're like, fuck, this dude got fucked, he used to become the runner-up and all the winners. Matlab, there was no there's no merit system in that audition.
कुछ भी नहीं था.
And they used to tell them to fuck off, and then suddenly we used to come to know that they got
He selected.
मतलब next episode like, oh, this dude has also got selected, and you're like, what just happened?
Exactly. So for context, Ayushmann Khurrana, if y'all don't know, was the winner of Roadie season 2, which he's really managed to keep out of his life till now. He's like, let people conveniently forget.
You
I
know
was in
how
that
people
show.
have a dark past.
And I was just watching his audition, right? I was just watching his audition because I'm like, fuck, I don't remember this guy on Roadies at all. उसके ऑडिशन में उसको बोला है कि तू जैसा है, तू wannabe है और तू fake है. And that's when they tell them कि you are fake, we don't like you, get out. And they select him and he wins. अरे क्या चल रही है?
Arey, but think about it this way, na? It was a very clear, like they called him fake, they called him a wannabe. It's the definition of an actor, dude.
Yeah, actually.
It's the
Dude, Ayushmann Khurrana actually says that. He's like, but मैं तो actor हूँ, तो ये तो आएगा ही ना. Like, I don't care about you being an actor. You are wannabe and you're fake, get out, and you're selected.
And wo betide you if you come there and you say something like, I'm so glad I got selected for the audition and all.
बस खत्म. कैसे?
बस.
तू कैसे खुश हुआ बहनचो? तू खुश कैसे हुआ? तू सिलेक्ट हुआ? अरे ये क्या है क्या वो?
मैं क्या ये सुनने के लिए यहाँ पे बैठा हूँ and stuff like that. Oh my god, I can't even. Okay, and also even in that, okay, so there used to be this form that you have to fill.
Oh my god.
ठीक है, they have to fill this form in order to get into the general discussion because that's the basic like जो information form है ना वो. पर उसमें they used to also ask controversial questions. They used to be like your girlfriend cheated on you. What would you do? Would you beat her and would you like abuse her? This isn't the question. Okay.
There is clearly no right answer. Okay. They just know.
They know कि however you answer this question is going to fuck you only.
तुम बोलेंगे I'll be understanding कैसे ऐसे कैसे मरते तू ये वो तुम बोलेंगे मैं गुस्सा करूंगा who are you to question women's rights वो बंदा बोलेगा क्या फिर.
And then some people used to be like क्या stupid form है ये and they used to fill anything.
कुछ भी.
And those people particularly used to get selected irrespective of how they did in the general discussion. They used to get selected for the auditions because then they used to make that person read his answers कि how have you written लोडूचन at least 50 times in this answer. देखो क्या लगता है हम stupid बैठे हैं यहाँ पे हम लोडूचन बैठे हैं यहाँ पे हाँ इसलिए तो 50 बार लिखा है यहाँ पे लोडूचन.
So basically, actually, what happened was in the later seasons, people used to fill the form in a funny way so that they were called on to PI.
Because everyone figured it out, right? Everyone was like, if I fill the form in an asshole way and I do badly in the general discussion, then I'll still get selected
100%.
because then they'll make me read it and I will read it.
Actually, now it just struck me. So basically, the formula of like getting the most out of roadies. Okay, let's face it. You go to a reality TV show so that later on you become famous and you become an actor.
See,
that is what a lot of roadies have done.
Fame.
Yeah.
Especially if you're not obviously already a celebrity. Most reality shows are like you're already a model or already a celebrity.
Yeah,
but if you're not, if it's for the general public, then you are going to become a celebrity, goddammit.
Yeah, it's a way, it's a platform. You go to the audition. If you do well, you go on the show. You are famous, and then you get like TV roles and whatever. बहुत low roadies ने ऐसे किया है.
And we've seen Ayushmann Khurrana, Ranvijay Singh, Bani Judge.
Yes, Bani J is Bani Judge, by the way. Just putting it out there.
Okay, so Bani Judge and all these people basically they became
many.
TV stars because
they were
roadies,
roadies,
right?
Dude, have you heard of Prince Narula? Suna? Did you come across the name during research?
I did.
You know what his claim to fame is? Prince Narula has the record for winning the most number of Indian reality TV shows. He holds an actual
record.
Yes, he holds an actual
Which
record.
Which reality TV shows has
so
he been on?
Roadies X2, he won that. Big Boss season 9, Nach Baliye season 9, and wait, one more. He won. Wait, this Big Boss, Nach Baliye, one more he won. यार 4 जीता उसने.
But that's
Shit,
quite. What I'm saying is that he's the prince of reality TV shows.
Yeah.
I just feel like this is a strange thing that I was not expecting to hear today.
Dude, even I. So his claim to fame, he's one of the most popular roadies because he's won 4 reality and Splitsvilla. Yes, how can I forget Splitsvilla? He won Splitsvilla as well.
He was on Splitsvilla also.
तो पहले रोडीज किया, फिर स्प्लिट्सविला किया, फिर बिग बॉस से उसको कॉल आया, फिर वो नच बलिए पे गया. नच बलिए भी जीता भाई वो.
अरे but you know what? He has figured it out.
हाँ.
He has fucking figured it out. He has algorithmized the system. I'm telling you, Prince Narula knows where it's at. Okay.
Yeah.
Now here is another theory that I have. ठीक है? कि basically all reality TV shows are the same.
Correct.
Relatively. Because one person has to win in the end. Correct. So if you take the original Big Brother, I don't know if you've seen it,
No,
but when I was not in India, that time I used to watch Big Brother very religiously because I was lonely and it was very awful.
Okay, Big Brother is the original Big Boss, US वाला, the first.
Yes, US UK में होता था ये initially. So Big Brother का ये फंडा था कि they used to not call celebrities on that show.
Okay.
They used to call normal people only, just like
nice.
roadies.
Okay.
ठीक है, so already.
But the concept used to remain the same.
The छाटना and all used to happen before and audition वगैरह नहीं दिखाते थे. But these people used to get selected and used to come on the show, and obviously usually they used to pick good looking people. At least they will get that on TV. So all these people are selected, and their thing was कि they have to live in that house together. Same Big Boss rules, and they have to make it to the end. Without getting voted out.
Correct.
But then during this thing now, what used to happen is they used to form internal gangs and all. Technically.
Correct.
So like say you and I on a reality TV show, and we are like, oh fuck, both of us like Govinda. So then we form a gang of our own, and then we like recruit other people.
Correct.
And then we both make a pact. कि we will save each other till the end.
Correct.
So we won't
and
vote each other out.
What happens.
So this funda na of like people grouping together and like trying to like community essentially, like the definition of community is the thing that is used in all these reality TV shows.
Big Boss में होता है. रोडीज में तो होता ही था.
And now, and if you've seen The Voice and all, also they do that. Like, but they involve the celebrity.
Okay.
Because the celebrity gets to choose. Then they form like groups.
But that is what roadies has become
and
now.
And roadies now has become that. Like there's a Neha Dhupia team.
You have gang leaders. Please call them gang. Don't call them teams. Okay. The gang leaders and they have gangs.
I'm clearly.
By the way, Prince is now a judge. Is a gang leader on roadies. So.
He's now a gang.
He's like contestant. Okay, मैं सब जीत लिया. अभी मैं judge बनेगा.
But I can't believe it. Prince just retire. I'm sure you won a lot of money now.
अरे but that's his job, no.
अरे
I mean वो
Prince है यार वो मतलब क्या है? I would have done that if I won 4 reality TV shows. I'd like
सब FD में डालने का interest में जीने का बस खत्म.
I'd be like भाड़ में जाए सब कुछ. I will put my face on like a few advertisements and all that and like keep getting money from that. Bus. But Prince has a very forgettable face, so I think that is one thing that is a very forgettable face. But
these guys actually become like celebrities. So there's another guy called Varun Sood who's not that famous, but a cricketer tha wo. He used to play. He still plays domestic cricket, and then he won. He came on roadies. He was in Ranvijay's gang and he won. And then he was like, fuck this, I can't deal with the fame, and he fucked off. But uska abhi bhi stories aata that he's dating this contestant from this reality TV show, whatever. So they actually
so he's alive in the
he's there even if he doesn't want to. But aisa hai, and then there are some people who just embraced it. Like people have done movies after being part of these shows. कितने TV stars have come.
कितने किए यार इन लोगों ने मतलब रणविजय ने तो किए. Now Ranvijay is doing. He was in Mismatched, you know. अभी आया था वो like वो प्राजक्ता कोहली का है.
Correct.
Yeah, so he's doing अपना.
Hey, Ranvijay was an action replay. Okay, please. Please.
No, what I'm saying is and Bani J was in FOMO shots, please.
Correct.
So like in general, but Bani J का stereotype हो गया वो. She was a fitness girl ना. Like,
she is fitness girl everywhere.
She's a fitness girl like on Instagram. She's a fitness girl in everything she is in. She plays herself basically in everything that she is. But that's what comes from being a roadie. The only person who's managed to go away from it is Ayushmann Khurrana.
Yeah.
Because he is nothing related to roadies anymore.
Well, actually, audition, it's on YouTube, please watch it.
It's a stamp on your head, you're a roadie now.
Yeah, but that Ayushmann and the Ayushmann we see now are two very, very different people.
For sure. But see now, actually, the audition part is what, like he said, everybody watches. But why do people watch that audition part? Dude, okay, so I as a person have never seen anybody watch anything beyond the auditions. Nobody knows what is going on after that. Nobody knows how that person became a roadie.
मैं तो Indian Idol भी वैसे देखता था. Honestly.
Idol, yes, correct. So all this audition part ना, I feel like, you know, जो BDSM का S है ना.
I was not expecting that.
The sadism. The people watching this fucking show are they get this sadistic pleasure from all these things that these people are doing.
100%.
देख ना तेरे साथ नहीं हो रहा है तो खुशी हो रही है तेरे को ये.
और at least मैं उतना चूतिया नहीं है. That was the
and that at least मैं इतना चूतिया नहीं है will convince Ramanujan to apply for that show to show other people कि at least वो इतना चूतिया नहीं है and then he'll become one of the चूतियास. Can you imagine?
मैं उतना भी चूतिया नहीं हूँ.
Ramanujan is roadie. I want to see that show.
मैं बनूंगा असली रोडी
It'll
क्योंकि
become
मुझ में
another
वो
show
बात
very
है.
quickly.
Yeah, actually, it will
It'll
just.
become another show.
मैं जीडी के आगे ही नहीं जा रहा, खत्म हो गया उधर ही. मैं बोला क्या टट्टी है, मैं जा रहा हूँ. निकल गया.
Yeah.
That'd be fun. I'd actually have fun.
अरे but if you fill your form all weird, they'll select you ना. GD भाड़ में
There
लिया.
is इसमें है.
That
planning.
caveat is there.
But dude, ये लोग हमेशा लोग बोलते थे, and I tell this dialogue to my brother and he tells it to me randomly. Okay, we just go na, मैं बनूंगा असली रोडी क्योंकि मुझ में वो बात है. What does it mean?
What is the baat? See,
What?
you know what is
क्या है?
what is been the mystery? Why Roadies has run for so many seasons so far is that nobody knows what that baat is. Nobody knows.
जो चला रहा है show उसको नहीं
and
पता यार.
everybody who's running that show now, all the judges, they've been on Roadies at some point or the other, something like that, and they also don't know why they won. Because it's random.
कुछ भी होता है. So basically the format earlier was, अभी तो मुझे पता भी नहीं है, it's become too complicated, the gangs and all. पहले था individual used to come, there used to be like 12 or 14 who used to get selected. The basic idea was do tasks, win immunity so you're not voted out. And then if you don't have immunity, you convince other people कि don't vote me out. Okay, basically it was that. Now I don't know what it has become.
Now it is like Neha Dhupia and Raftara fighting because they want their gang ka people to stay and all, and that has become a scene altogether. Like everybody wants to watch these celebrities fight at this point. Like nobody cares कि वो लोग क्या करें. Also all the people are selected based on like how many push-ups they can do. And so अब Roadies की जो बात है is that you have to be fit.
It could very well be Roadies CrossFit challenge and it would work.
And
it is basically that.
It's that now.
I think that woe is also, I think the answer is mental illness.
Oh no.
Plus fit.
Is it? Oh, dude.
Oh.
But yeah, so now I don't know what's happening. I feel now the popularity of it is also gone down.
Because देख ना अब तो ये सब endurance पे चल रहा है ना. Now that shit is not there where Raghu and Rajiv
होता है.
Raghu and Rajiv are yelling people down. Okay, so I have another theory about this though. So initially when I used to watch Roadies na, I used to wonder कि क्या चल रहा है, and because I at the time couldn't take people shouting and screaming at each other. Now I inhale it like it's like you know, laughing gas. But it's amazing to me कि people used to shout and scream like that at people, and people used to have fun watching it. But then over time I realized कि these people are shouting for no reason, like because the person is answering extremely normally and they'll be like, why are you shouting at me? Why are you shouting at me? मतलब कुछ भी, like irrespective of what you're saying, someone's going to shout at you. Correct? So that's what the auditions used to be. But that means that यहाँ पे जो game show चल रहा है ना, वो game show इन लोगों का नहीं चल रहा है, judges का चल रहा है.
Wait, मतलब?
Because they are the participants of that game show.
Yeah, now with the gang leaders
like,
and all, they are
so
for
imagine that this was turned around. Nikhil Chinnappa, Ranvijay Singh, Raghu and Rajiv. All these people are literally at different podiums. They are the participants in the game show.
Okay.
Now the game show is one dude walks in. How can you roast this person? Who's who comes up with the best roast? So that is what was going on, because they were just trying to one up each other.
Actually they were, because after a while you were like, ये तू कर क्यों रहा है? मतलब as a judge, why are you more excited than the contestant who's come on the show?
Also think about this. Not only are these contestants making an image on national TV, these people are also making an image on national TV. Right? Raghu and Rajiv, everyone associates them with being assholes on Roadies.
And wait, one thing that made them cool or famous was that वो लोग गाली देते थे. That was.
But see how starved we were of real life, dude. Nobody on TV used to give gali that time.
Actually, they weren't, and this is the first show, so it was like, oh my god, so edgy and full targeted to youth, and youth to gali deta. Yeah.
And all the fucking teenage boys I knew were into that shit. They used to lap it up like nobody's business, because they are like, fuck, this dude's so cool. He can say BCMC on TV. मेरे से बोला ही नहीं जाता. I sound like a child when I say it.
Yeah, after that they were like, यही करना है, जो भी आएगा अच्छा बंदा हो, अच्छी बंदी हो. Like a normal human being will also go ना, they'll be like, नहीं तेरे में तू तो है, तू गधा ही है.
अरे but
तू आया क्यों यहाँ पे? तू आया ही क्यों?
But can you imagine, Ramajan, as a teenager, you used to watch it because you used to be like, हाँ कितना funny है.
हाँ.
Correct. You used to not watch it because I want to be like this person. Correct. But
मुझे मेरे में वो बात नहीं है, मैं नहीं बन रहा रोडी.
But people used to not watch it for that. People used to be like, "Hey, Raghu and Rajiv are so cool. They're giving galis on TV. मेरे को भी करने का है."
Oh no! The second thing was, so Roadies season 1 and 2 was all about like traveling and riding a bike.
That's how it started. That show started as a traveling. That's why it's called Roadies.
Season 1 was a travel show. Season 2 was also a travel show. Season 3 kachra. Okay.
And that's when the TRP shot up like crazy.
Season 3 is when it became famous.
Season 3 is when people started watching.
Correct.
They made the show kachra and people started watching. मतलब देखो क्या हो रहा है हमारी सोसाइटी में.
It was nonsense. So basically the claim to fame, or like everyone who used to come on the auditions had two things. One, fill the form, that is part 1. Part 2 was just say I am adventurous. Just say मुझे, even if you are not adventurous, I want to be adventurous used to be the thing.
हाँ मतलब I haven't gotten to do it yet. And
तुम्हें रोडी क्यों बनना है? क्योंकि मुझे एडवेंचर करना है. अरे खुद करना, खुद जा पहाड़ों पे, कौन रोक रहा है तेरे को?
You know what that reminds me though of that girl who came and said मैं तो पार्टी मारती है, सब जगह पार्टी मारती है.
That is Pakistani roadies.
What's
living over the edge.
It was wild. I'm
that
just
is
like,
also too
damn, there are people out there like this though. Think
Yeah,
about that. I think most people got their kicks from that कि अरे बाप रे चंडीगढ़ में तो पागल लोग रहते हैं.
By the way, Chandigarh is called the roadies capital. Just putting it out
That's
there.
where Ayushmann Khurrana came in.
Yeah. Ayushmann Khurrana Chandigarh auditions. Prince Nanurul also.
Oh,
Chandigarh
so
auditions.
Chandigarh people actually win. Maybe there's a stat somewhere out there.
रहेगा.
These many people get auditioned from Chandigarh, and out of that there is
many people win.
There is this projection कि these many people can win.
Wow, someone's making stats on roadies.
I'll make the stat, Chal. I'll make the stat for this. It's going to be there in the lower third.
Yeah.
अरे but think about this, okay? जो जनरल डिस्कशन रहता है ना, dude, मैनेजमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट हायर पीपल लाइक दैट. आई मीन टेक पीपल लाइक दैट. एडमिशंस करते हैं ऐसे. This is a normal process.
Yeah, GD फिर personal interview and all that.
So
करना चाहिए.
basically what Roadies has done is taken this management institute admission process and literally put it through their system, like as if they've like fed this process coke. And like, you know, like they've just like put this process on meth and they're like, now it's on TV.
Oh.
Matlab, if they actually just did that management institute admission process and put it on TV and made that a reality show, it would become Roadies.
It'll be actually roadies. Wow. So,
dude, but have you seen those management institute ka
No, I
admission?
haven't.
So my brother and my sister went through that, and मेरा तो कुछ अलग ही था because I gave design shit, right? तो उनका ये रहता है again like general discussion होने, that you have to stand out as much as possible.
Correct.
So you'd stand out either or. Like if you talk a lot, also you'd
if
stand
you
out,
don't
and
talk
if
a
you
lot.
don't talk a lot, also you'd stand out. Now if you are like that person who'll be like play मेरी बात then you are completely out. But
then
if
तो
you,
खत्म.
but then there was like one smart ass in my sister's general discussion who basically went up, the person asked that person ki, you know, why you didn't say anything, you were just sitting and said, I was watching everyone's body language. And
देख ऐसे लोग तो रोडीज में नहीं आएंगे.
अरे but that person got selected for the next round. वो कितना deep है.
अरे but that's what the MBA calls ना. ऐसे रोडीज में आके बोलेगा बॉडी लैंग्वेज बोले ये पहले सर आप प्लीज घर जाइए सर.
This is not a place for you. This is only place for insane people.
See, in roadies का GD, the person who will shout the most, even if he's not making sense, will be the person who will be selected for the person interview.
How you will get noticed, na? It's like, dude, but can you imagine this roadies, the same general discussion thing, if they did for this bichara struggling actors who are trying to, like, essentially that's what it is, na? Because all these people are, lot of struggling actors go on roadies, dude.
Roadies is basically another form of audition for them.
So basically, if an actor basically stands up and starts spewing Shakespeare, that person can get selected.
Possible.
That's what it is.
So basically game क्या था कि you want to maximize your time in front of camera for any roadies contestant. जिसको रोडी बनना था उसको बाद में actor बनना था. So you do shit like you give stupid answers on the form so that you're called for the interview, so that your face is seen more on TV. That is the whole game.
Dude, but that's so much pressure, don't you think? I feel like these poor people are going through a lot of things already. कोई तो engineering छोड़ के आ रहा है कि मैं रोडीज बनेगा, रोडी बनेगा.
There are people who have tried for 7 seasons and on the 8th season they got a PI and they didn't get selected. And why they got the PR? Because तू हमें पता है, हमने footage देखा है, तो 7 साल से आ रहा है, इसलिए 8वें साल हमने बुलाया है. It's like commemorative.
It's like a pity thing. Yeah.
Commemorative sir, participation certificate. आप PR में आ जाओ, फिर घर जाओ.
Can you imagine getting a participation certificate
from Roadies?
Oh my god, my heart, Bichara. Arey, but there are so many people like that. You're right. And but do you know anybody who has do you know anyone personally who has gone for Roadies things?
Yeah, I know one person who's gone for
this is whack. I did not expect you to say yes.
I know one. So Pune में जब audition होते हैं, I know one person who's gone. He went, I think GD गया, वो then PI भी crack नहीं किया. GD में he went out. But I know one person, and then my respect fell for him a lot.
Oh no, Ramanujan! I think that man went out there and put his heart out there. कि मेरे को रोडी बनने का है.
I don't know. I was like, I don't know how to feel anymore. I'm a little.
So mean. एक तो ये देखता है, एक तो पूरा season देखा है 4 and 5, और फिर बोलता है कि नहीं, whoever I know shouldn't participate, Baba.
No, not like that. Not like that. I'm like, okay, I don't know. My thinking has now changed towards the man. He tried, at least he tried. He's doing good in life, dude. No. So
ठीक है. मतलब रोटी नहीं बना तो चलेगा.
It's not the end of the world. ऐसे 7-7, 8-8 साल टाइम नहीं किया ना.
But those people के लिए it is the end of the world. Think about it like that. कि not everyone gets that break that Ayushmann Khurrana got.
You know what they used to do? So पहले कैसे रहता था? Of course, they should not send like messages or whatever. तो पहले वो लोग actually MBA college जैसे list लगाते थे.
See, that's where they've picked it up from. It is MBA admissions on fucking steroids. That's what it is.
So वो लोग लिस्ट लगाते थे कि इनका नाम ये हुआ तो.
You know what I'm thinking now? Say your goal was to have a school which had everybody who looks like people who are in student of the year. Okay. And for the admissions process, you start doing that shit. Normal.
The Roadies
audition, you pull them down, you say shit like, I'll stick my hand up your ass and pull it out and stuff like that.
That is an actual thing.
That's an actual thing that Raghu
Put
or
your hand up your ass and pull it out.
Pull out the intensity is what he was saying. Yes.
Yeah.
And so these kind of things will be put through them. And then next, when they get selected, they will go through endurance tests.
Correct.
So everyone who makes it to the end is fit and fine and ready for TV. Student of the year class.
Funny you should mention that a contestant from season 4 of Roadies actually was a part of Student of the Year.
Matlab, my theory is writing itself. I don't even need to actually see. That's how that class got made. I don't know how the fat dude made it. I'm sorry.
Nepotism.
And all the people who are judging are people who have nothing to do with it. Like, what does Neha Dhupia have? See, ठीक है, वो actor है. तो in that sense, yes, it makes sense. But निखिल चिन्नप्पा क्या कर रहा है यार वहाँ पे?
अरे कोरोना टाइम नो, म्यूजिक फेस्टिवल्स आर नॉट ऑन. क्या करेगा वो?
So horrible यार. रफ्तार क्या कर रहा है वहाँ पे? निखिल चिन्नप्पा क्या कर रहा है?
Wait a minute. Let's go through the list of judges that have actually been on this show. Mika था season 2 में.
Mika Singh?
Yes. Mika Singh audition लेता था season 2 में.
But why?
Season 1 had
nothing makes sense anymore. It's all
one of the Cyruses, either Brocha और साहूकार.
साहूकार नहीं, वो host था. वो first season का host था.
Then okay, so that
first season का host था. Everyone was like, he's too goofy. We can't deal with this. It's not a roadie material.
Then Ranvijay won that and they're like, हाँ ये चलेगा. ये better है. Please. Then there was Isha Deol, dude. Have you heard the name Isha Deol in so fucking long? She was on Roadies. Season 7 or something like that.
My God.
She was a judge. Isha Deol was a judge.
See, she was the Neha Dhupia of the time.
Correct.
Correct, because तब उसका ये career नहीं चल रहा था. अब नेहा धूपिया का career नहीं चल रहा है. तो ठीक है, मतलब I get it.
But what about Raftaar? What is he doing on the show? He's doing pretty well. उसका भी scene वही होगा ना कि he doesn't have to be there in person anywhere currently. Maybe.
So he can do show face on Roadies.
Also, very very fun fact that nobody knows. Irfan Khan was a part of Roadies.
Irfan Khan?
Yes. So
what
Irfan Khan was not a judge. Irfan Khan should not take auditions or whatever. He was just put like this very godly element that has control over the entire show, right?
Oh.
So he used to not come on like any episode. But then one episode, जब vote out हो रहा है, ऐसे पीछे से चल के आएगा वो full dramatic fashion में. He will come, put some twist. For example, these 4 people have immunity. Now these 4 people don't have immunity. The others have immunity and go vote. And then he used to just go. And he's done that for 3 episodes on that. But he was a part of Roadies.
You know what I'm thinking now? There's a change in my theory of like selecting the class for student of the year. Irfan Khan is that fate element that comes in, you know, where people are like, mera lucky nahi tha.
Ah,
Irfan Khan.
nice.
Because क्या ही होगा ना, if he comes and tells you you're out, what are you going to do? Till then, whatever you did,
Well,
you're
okay.
like,
Bye.
I'll die, I guess. मतलब क्या ही करेंगे वो लोग? Dude, I didn't know this about Irfan
Yeah,
Khan.
he was there. It was very surprising. But he was there.
But was it like set up in any way or anything?
As in?
मतलब had they said कि we have this?
Yeah. Yeah, so episode 1 में
ठीक है, at
introduce
least
हो
there's
गए
some continuity.
थे. Yeah, episode 1 में introduce हो गए थे कि देखो ये है और ये जब आएंगे तब तबाही मचा के जाएंगे. That was his thing.
Dude,
He was
that
like,
was-
whenever he comes, he
Oh
will
my
fuck shit
goodness.
up and go.
I-
And people used to wait, oh my god, Irfan sir आएंगे, कुछ तो twist होगा, मजा आएगा वैसा.
Arey, dude, you know another thing that I came to know about Roadies because I was watching all the auditions. And then one of the auditions that actually Raman and I watched together yesterday had this very familiar looking dude. ठीक है? And he had filled his form up
Do you
with...
mean familiar looking super dude?
Good one. So his familiar looking super dude was there in the audition that time, and they were reading out his form, and they were making fun of him because he had written "my" as M-A-H, Ma, and stuff like
Do
that.
you
in the
remember
form.
those days
ठीक है,
of
see,
my life, my choices, my rules?
and he had written the entire thing as if he's rapping.
And
Yeah,
उसको
like-
actually पूछते सर आपने स्पेलिंग कहाँ से सीखी? What is the spelling of my? So
And he's like, मैं तो
बट मैं ऐसे M-A-H ही लिखता हूँ.
मैं M-A-H ही लिखता हूँ. I know it is M-Y,
Yeah.
by the way, but I am a writer M-A-H. ठीक है, whatever. So he had written that entire thing like he's rapping, and then they were like, you know, तो आप rapping वगैरह करते हो? Obviously, ना, like you read that and you'll be like, please explain.
Please rap also. It will be
So
good for
then
TRP.
so then he rapped, and then basically Raghu just stopped him, and he's like, I hope you know that this is a very wannabe, and nobody is like this in real life. And he's like, मैं तो हूँ.
नहीं अभी तो डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा ना.
हाँ, but ठीक है, but the next question was कि how are you with girls or something. ठीक है, after he had written that whole rap.
What relevance it has to the show, nobody
like,
knows.
You know, like how are you with flirting or some shit like that, some
नहीं, he had put कि whatever मैं stud हूँ वगैरह तो वो लोग बोलते तू कैसे फ्लर्ट करता है हमें बता.
I remember that girls one was कि he had written कि as a student of psychology.
हाँ, no, he had said.
He had written
No, Ari, that is also there. But when they ask him that how do you flirt, he says,
He's
as
like-
a student of psychology, I go on Facebook and I send messages like I DM girls. Have you heard of Shakespeare? And then she will be like, huh? Of course I have. What about him? She says, how do you feel after proving him wrong? And then वो reply करेगी कि क्या मतलब क्या बोल रहे हो आप? Shakespeare said nothing can be more beautiful than the moon. How do you feel about proving him wrong? ये बंदा psychology पढ़ रहा है, by the way. And this is the knowledge he acquired.
But listen, okay, I won't lie to you. It's very embarrassing. But yesterday, as soon as this happened, Ramanujan was like, "What the fuck? How will this work?" And I was like, "But it can work."
देखिए, how?
Because I was just like, dude, ये काफी thought दिया है इसको, मतलब शेक्सपियर वगैरह को like rope in किया है उसने.
Well, his psychology studies are proving.
But I'll tell you why he is familiar though. Like he actually was on another reality
Yes.
TV show called Super Stud.
Super stud.
And उस जो रोडीज का ऑडिशन था उसमें they kept mentioning this super stud है,
They were calling
बहुत
तू तो बहुत
super
super
stud
dude
है,
है.
तू तो बहुत super dude है. तो he was in this other show where essentially Ashmit Patel teaches you how to be with girls.
Yeah. That's a whole another.
मतलब it's
वो
literally
अलग है.
another box to unpack. I
वो
cannot
नहीं वो
imagine.
अभी नहीं होगा.
हाँ.
But see that also proves the point, no, that even that, like, see, because he was a part of that audition and because that term was associated with him, he got another reality TV show.
अरे
And
not
if he
only
was not a
that,
part of Roadies, उसको वो नहीं मिलता था.
Ari, but can you imagine this, like how it's running as an industry? It's just like you participate in the show, you get FaceTime on TV, and then if you're like entertaining or whatever, then you get put on a vendor list.
हाँ, basically.
Because the next time some reality TV show comes up, they'll be like ये है,
हाँ.
तेरे को चाहिए क्या ये?
And वो तुम्हारा वो जो audition tape है वो मतलब whatever your PI tape actually becomes your audition for another show.
Which is actually pretty tight. Like
Yeah,
if you
it's a
see
very
in a
well-run
way,
machine,
because
actually.
now they don't have to like go out and do another audition.
Because Super Stud या Super Dude का कभी audition नहीं हुआ था. They just randomly picked up these people from other shows.
Yeah, they were all from other
there was no audition in that.
yeah, and dude, and oh my god. Yes,
Yeah,
exactly.
actually.
See, it's running like that only. The entire
system
thing,
remains the same,
The
no?
entire
Form
thing
bharo.
is like essentially you're giving one exam,
Haan.
and some university here sees your result. Your exam results are shared with everyone.
Everyone.
And that university sees it, and then you basically pick it up and whatever you can. They can call you कि do you want to be part of a university? Hello. तो मेरे को एक बात बता रहा मंजन. Audition के बाद क्या होता था?
तो basically audition के बाद like the whole journey used to begin because obviously travel show है. At the core of it, it's a travel show. So basically journey क्या होता था कि आप used to go to different locations and then you could explore that and then at every location or every stage you had to do a few tasks. Initially because there are like 12 people, you are divided into teams.
Got it.
Right? So maybe they split you right into half or whatever. Right? तो वो टास्क करोगे जो टीम जीतेगा उसको इम्यूनिटी मिलेगा.
Got it.
अभी इम्यूनिटी मतलब every day had an elimination process.
Every day.
Yeah.
मतलब every
episode
हाँ,
basically.
got
So
it.
every location में जाके टास्क करना है सुबह and then रात को vote out होता
Got
था.
it.
Right? So you win. If you win, you are immune. Nobody can vote against you. And if you lose, you are supposed to convince the other people not to vote you out.
Oh.
That was the basic premise of the show. Right? तो वो होता था and then as people used to keep reducing day by day, the thing was कि the tasks used to be very individual focused.
Got it.
But the tasks were always endurance. Endurance or GK actually.
Oh.
I actually remember this one task. There were like 4 guys and 4 girls. So the team was split into like boy girl ka jodi, and the guys were made to stand on like a podium and the girls are sitting, right? Now every time the girl gets the answer wrong, the guy used to get a Brazilian wax.
Fuck, dude, this is very intense.
It
And I
used to
bet
be.
that they were completely clean shaven by the end of it, considering the kind of people that they selected. Holy shit.
Yeah. So that was not something they prepare you for.
Yeah, but can you imagine just walking into a room and aaj GK hone wala hai and you are
Yeah,
going to
fuck.
like get fucked. It's not going to be good.
And honestly, the questions were not that difficult.
But still, people
whatever.
got it wrong.
So,
It's fine.
Yeah,
whatever.
basically the tasks are like something like this. So either endurance or GK based or whatever. And then what twist aata tha phir. The
The
twist.
Irfan Khan.
The twist used to be sometimes you know what they should do? They should do take a vote out.
हाँ.
ठीक है पूरा. And then this one person is out and वो आके रुकता है full गाली गलौज होता है भैंचो तूने क्यों मेरे को ये किया you are out ये वो पूरा हो जाता है. After the end, at the end, they're like, but this was just an episode where no elimination is taking place. So, गाली गलौज हो गया है, bomb फोड़ दिया है, and then you're like, now go back.
Proper TRP के लिए किया है ये. They were like, if it worked in the beginning, it will work now. Maybe people will watch.
Yeah, and then like, now you go back, and then they used to fight and all that. The basic thing was आग कैसे लगाना है उन लोग के बीच में. That is about it. That was the show.
Makes sense.
हाँ,
Makes
and
sense.
if you can endure that and you can be
But who are these devious people who are coming up with these ideas?
Raghu and Rajiv.
Can you imagine though? Like, can you imagine sitting in a room and being like, how to make these people fight? It's like a giant experiment.
Yeah.
What the hell?
So it was basically like that those show. I'm talking about before the whole gang whatever.
Now the
thing. अभी
gang thing
मुझे
is
नहीं
actually it's kind of streamlined because the gang thing. I watched a couple episodes and it's literally like The Voice at this point. They have a lot of endurance stuff and instead of singing they have endurance tests.
Correct.
And the endurance tests are like obstacle courses and
So
things
like
like
if
that.
that gang wins, that gang gets immunity and the others vote.
Correct. It's like that. And even the celebrities have to defend their gangs or whatever.
Of course.
So matlab that's the additional level that's added, but it's kind of like that.
Got it.
Yeah, and matlab it's pretty streamlined because of that. Because now I think this is one thing I feel like it has to be addressed. Raghu and Rajiv actually left this show in 2014.
2014.
And they said some shit like, it's time for us to move on. We leave it to the new generation and all. But actually, the reason was because this shit was not flying anymore. Like nobody.
There was change needed.
Yeah, nobody was going to obviously Gali Galoch was allowed on TV more than what it was before, so it was not
charm chala gaya, so to speak.
And then secondly, also people were not willing to watch that shit anymore. Like people were like,
हाँ बोर हो गए थे because it was just the same.
Bored हो
It was
गए
same
and like-
the only thing that used to interest them were the people on the show.
Yeah.
Like if the person was very interesting, then like how he dealt with that situation became interesting after
and
that.
see the generational change also, na. Like when we were little, all this was not allowed on TV, so that used to stand out.
Correct.
But as the other people came into the forefront, the people who would actually watch roadies, they were not interested in that because they were like, क्यों ही कर रहे हैं ये लोग?
Correct.
You know, they had consumed more media by then.
हाँ,
So
100%,
like
yeah.
they didn't care much about that. So Raghu Rajiv left, and that was like a major tilt shift
The
in that
turning point.
show only, because then they were like, we have to make this interesting in other ways. We'll make it an endurance thing. We'll make it a CrossFit thing. Jane de,
Correct.
like there's
And
no
now
point.
in today's day, if you want to become like a Bani, you go on Instagram, you make a fitness account, and you're done. You don't need to go.
And it's up to the Irfan Khan of the universe
The
to come and
universe.
tell you that you are famous now.
बस
All you can do
Why
is keep
would you
putting
go
out
through
shit.
so much of thing कि सुबह से लाइन मेरा ऑडिशन के फिर जीडी दो फॉर्म भरो गाली खाओ लोगों का चुपचाप एक इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट बनाओ वर्कआउट करो फोटो डालो
Dude,
चमक
but
गए तो चमक
really,
गए.
the social media, see, people keep talking about how social media is killing, social media and internet and stuff, and easy access is killing the TV industry. Because
Which
nobody
it is.
watching cable,
Yeah.
nobody's watching roadies really. Everyone's watching roadies online on Woot.
I actually in the lockdown I did a rerun of all the previous auditions because कुछ करने को था
so
नहीं.
yeah, so like no one's watching on TV, no one's waiting for the next week and all that shit to watch it anymore because social media has made it easier.
You know what they've done to combat that? Woot पे TV से 24 घंटे पहले एपिसोड आता है. So if the episode is going to come out on Saturday at 7, Woot पे Friday पे आता है. So that's how they
It's
start
smart.
trying to.
It's
But
smart.
no, it's not working. People are still not watching.
अरे ठीक है, but think about it this way.
See, actually now, if you see the auditions, it's like if you want to become a trainer in life, like a gym trainer, then you go on
You
roadies.
should go because then
The target
everybody will
audience has
trust you
changed.
immediately. Everybody will be like, "Huh, this person's very fit." It's like going on American Ninja Warrior. You know, like everyone knows that you're fit. It's like a proof.
Yeah,
It's like a
correct.
certificate that I am the fittest person out of all these fit people.
Yeah, and that has already that was always the case. But पहले जो लोग आते थे show पे जो used to get selected, they were not. They were like everyday people who
Quite
could do.
chomu, yeah. The
things
idea
like
was
this.
that you take a normal person and make, but now they don't care about that because no one's watching TV. Everyone's like, we have to put all these fancy people on TV, otherwise who's gonna watch it?
Correct.
ना मैं Instagram you follow करती हूँ. Think about that. Why would you follow someone on Instagram? Because you think they're entertaining.
Correct.
And that's what roadies used to be. Correct.
That
But-
was the platform, basically.
But now they don't need roadies to do it anymore. They can just for free put it on Instagram and ठीक है ना मेरा content जा रहा है. Like how this Prajakta Kohli became a
Correct.
she was a YouTuber. She became an actress after that.
Correct.
Like she and similar. Oh my God, this is a good example actually. Mismatch में Prajakta Kohli है and Ranvijay Singh है. Prajakta Kohli has come up through social media. Ranvijay Singh has come up through.
Destination change है, path same है, path बदल गया बस.
Yeah, and Prajakta Kohli didn't need to become a roadie to be on Ranvijay's level.
Wow, Prajakta Kohli on roadies would be fun. Though. That would actually be fun.
But it's wild actually. But you know what? Think of it in a wholesome way. What did roadies teach you as a teenager?
कि
Well,
मैं
no matter what anybody tells you, you shouldn't back out. No
Yeah.
matter how many people.
Actually, yeah, dude. कि दो तुमको कितना भी गाली दे रहे हो, at least self confidence रखो and that will take you
I
places.
think about those people who won initially, Ayushmann Khurrana and all these people. They were such chomus when they came on the show. If you can be chomu and you can turn into Ayushmann Khurrana, that's hope for you
Yes,
right there.
There is hope in the world.
And that's actually a good place to like take this show. Stand out where you can, be
Yeah.
a good person.
Yeah, that's also true. He takes solace in the fact that you don't have to go to roadies to be where you are right now in life.
Wow, dude. Wow. It's like यहाँ पे inspirational music होना चाहिए background में. वो इस reality TV show में रहता है ना वही.
Correct.
Damn. But
My
yeah,
God,
I
roadies.
honestly hope you guys enjoyed this because
Yeah.
we totally enjoyed like going
swear.
through this entire.
I loved the fact that I revisited roadies for this. Like I anyway didn't need a reason, but it felt good to have one.
And please comment if you like this episode and if you have any roadies memories and if you have an audition for roadies.
Yes. If you have, please, if you
We
have
really
like,
want
one
to
of
know.
our
I
8
don't think you're a
subscribers,
superhero.
yeah,
Like,
if you auditioned for roadies, please put your story down. It'll be freaking amazing. Also, just fun fact: if you like roadies, you will really like Pakistani roadies. We mentioned that before, but
yes, like,
dude, you have to watch.
Shameless plug for
Yes.
Pakistan.
Our cultural export.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Roadies is our cultural export.
To
This
the
is
Southeast
true.
Asian market. The ever flourishing entertainment industry of Pakistan. Oh man, but yeah.
No, I think Pakistani roadies is where we should be at because that guy is like the best.
Waqar Zaka.
Waqar Zaka. Yes, but yes, I hope you enjoyed
Yes.
it and like put in the comments and please subscribe to our channel Padaku Panda.
Because we have new episodes out every Friday. Also, we put out a little small bits of content on Tuesday, so check that out as well.